bitch. When you on your ass real. I said, you gotta talk my shit. Don't play with your life, bitch. Yeah, it is what it is. So come do the 6D by an Ocean Drive. God reload my cuts while I ride. Never clean shit. Using my rusty ass and what I need to shoot in time. Who brought the bricks? It might be that mic. Who gonna bring to that bitch? My homie gonna do it with the fucking goods. Minute inside that vegan next door. Trap it to a gun straight on the fucking glory. Don't even me beef where I come, I'm gonna pick 6U. Or enough to get my butt, I don't know which I could bet with who. Favorite numbers 2, it means the twins gonna break the rules. We don't give a fuck about the laws. While we got the Rico involved. Last time I'll pistol drugs plus guns so we don't get caught, That nigga talking too much with his snitch thoughts, Bang bang, let's whip out the case to his face, and now we went along. We broke another law.
Yeah.
But the feds won't find us after all.
Facts, nigga.
Since we chosen after all.
Bitch,
Storing away after all. Let's bend like a Chris Paul,
CP3. Let's pull up.
CP3, in the shot. Now we score on some.
Let's score some.
Bitch, you stay dumb.
Every day in the slums.
Bitch, you stay dumb,
Every day is red rum.
Real on my rusty guys, I'm on ka-chum. One shot, boom.